All the privates and sergeants in my like paramedics course were scared for me to like cannula them, so I had to do it myself. But anyway,
why don't you tell me the story from the start?
This is in case it's like a zombie apocalypse and I need to amputate my arm in it, or I need to inject something into it. Yeah, I'm just getting all the things ready and sorted. There's like the little kidney bowl that I'm gonna use in it, so they teach us like every time we get ready for an IV injection that you gotta have everything ready. So like I've got the jgut on quite early because I was thought like just get the vein all pumped out and bulging for me to inject it. So I was obviously the angle was a bit off because I'm doing it towards myself, but it was near the end of like the day in it and no one was gonna offer their forearm to me. So I was like, it has to be done. I've got to learn how to save lives somehow. This is basically getting all the utensils ready for the procedure. So it's like I could have done it all in one, all safely and soundly. Loosen the cork. Oh no! Oh no! Right. You just have to practice the needle part. How are you gonna get it from? How the are you gonna hold it, bro?
Okay, don't laugh.
Well, it all started when me, Donny, Wayno, Owly and Scruffy were heading.
Line it up straight.
Praegu ma ei tunne midagi üldse. Ei tunne midagi. Aga kui sa liigutad, hakkad rohkem, siis tunned meile.
I'm not sure if it's straight enough.
It ain't deep enough.
Oh!
Got him! Got him!
Lid!
Wait.
No!
Lucky.
Oh, katki.
Tõesti ei tunne mitte midagi selle koha pealt.
Katki veen.
Oh no!
Tuli päris hea.
Veen on katki, bro.
You've already broke it.
Take it out.
Take it out. The vein is broken, bro. The vein's broken, bro. Take it out.
Verd pole.
Crazy, bro.
That's the most impressive thing I've seen today, though.
That's a pair of girls, bro. Mate, I'm doing it again. I need to do one. Alright, take 3 in it.
Alright, go.
So what went wrong in the last video? Obviously I pulled a needle out, like the plastic tube in, before the whole needle was in the vein. I kind of panicked in it. I just saw it go in and I was like, yo man, this is it, I've done it. But yeah, and then obviously I think I've made the hole too big that the vein started bleeding out, or I kind of, when I was like wiggling it about, I must have like penetrated the vein, and the bulge is like from where it's just like inflating with blood.
Land is here. So you have to move this pink one in, like in. Pink one in and the needle out. Like, yeah. Yeah, pink one in. Middle one out.
Pool on ülijahe ja pool on lihtsalt tuline.
To move. Yeah. Now it's.
Läks läbi.
Vist küll jah, tundub läks.
Ma teen endal läbi jah.
Ma lasen ta lahti ka.
Siin.
See on nii
katki uuesti.
laud sai puhtaks või?
Yeah. Mate, so this is my arm after the self-injections. That is something, mate. Yeah, so this is my other arm. Like a complete bloody druggo.
I can't f***ing believe it. No, don't worry, mate. We'll get more drugs.
It's not good. Ooh. Tasty.
Nice.
Injecting myself was very difficult. Like, obviously that's the first time I got to practice it. Luckily in the ambulance there was this woman that was nice. She broke her hip and all the medics and paramedics was like, you put the cannula in now. I'm thinking, bro, I can't even see her vein, and she's like screaming in pain. I'd like banged the cannula in first time. I was like, jeez. Arst pulstab. Straight, väga straight.
And good. Ei või?
Oh,
Yeah. I gotta apply some pressure. Take a
ta arvas, et tal on korras, aga...
Jaa, vaatasin filmi, ma olin ups.
Paneme ikka selle sulle ka peale sinna.
Jaa, tõmba kõvasti. It hurts now.
Interval.
Sellepärast seda paljale nahale ongi suht siin pandud.
Nagu nahk ja vahele.
Ei, see vahetab lihtsalt verd sealt ringi.
Jaa.
Valus.
Dude, you need to do it faster. Rose, you can take it so slowly. Ei, see oli jumal.
I'm ready.
Mul oli nii ebavõrd.
I'm going to early as well.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Tood mingi asi välja.
We're on the field of war. You gotta save me, man. You need to give me some morphine. I wanna.
You're gonna have to.
Hurry up, man. Don't die.
So hold your hand under here. Yes, thank you.
Nice job.
It's actually...
That was scary.
I'm going in.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Might say.
Sorry. No,
Yes.
that's right.
He's doing the same thing you did.
Really, nigga?
I missed it.
Try to pinch it, man. Try to pinch it, like keep it in place. I'll bend a bit forward.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Just take your time, take your time.
Yeah, that's fine, man. Where is the vein?
Let me pull my hand forwards a bit.
Oh.
Did I break it? Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
You serious?
Kind of break it. It's broken.
Oh, wow, that was a I'm sweating, man. That was not just uncomfortable. So straight after that, I went so blurry-eyed and everything went in slow motion, and I basically like couldn't hear anything that was said. After that, I passed out, man, and I had to have my legs over my head. So yeah, this is me, basically right after I've been like brought back to life, man. I'm pale as a ghost. The pull-ups like heel we made, it was the size of a tumor. Like, I'm not even lying. I literally like looked at it, I was like, bro, that does not look normal. And then whilst I was looking at it thinking, what is going on, the scoot was on the whole time. It was on for like 5 minutes and then it just kept growing. It was like, yeah, that was quite a good experience for sure.